This is the Athena Full Support Demiette. It comes in sizes 32 through 50 and fits band sizes 26 through 52, 54. It actually works best on AA, B, and C cups, but can also work on larger bust lines. The neckline on this is beautiful. It's a nice deep V neckline with that gorgeous soft satin fabric. And then there's also satin fabric around the anchor and band right here. That's right over that gripper that keeps that band in place. This is the back of the Athena Full Support Demiette. As you can see, it's got a nice deep scoop along the top of the back. The straps are not convertible, but they've got a nice wider strap with a good amount of length for adjustment there. This is the inside of the front of the Athena Full Support Demiette. As you can see, there's molded cups. You see that soft stitching that goes around. There's also some added paneling on the inside of the cups to give some extra support. And then of course, our surgical grade silicone gripper along the band to keep it in place. This is the inside of the back of the Full Support Athena Demiette. You can see that the scoop top is a nice even scoop, and then along the back there's some added paneling to give that structure and that extra level of support to help distribute the weight of the bust line, and then of course the gripper on the bottom.